Here we will be first studying the light response of the LDR. Now you can see the dips in the graph. Those dips they are coming due to the shadows on the LDR caused by the pendulum. Now we can see the maximum and the minimum value in light and in shadow respectively. Here we are studying cycles. Now as we can see, it's giving the count of every cycle or the occurrence of every cycle on the serial plotter. Those values are actually in seconds, milliseconds. Now from the several sample we get that here the value 1328 is the time period in millisecond, and the G is calculated, which gave the value around 970.